Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Because of one fact that I made him happy, which was about the second to the last time that I was seeing him. I'm a social person, for the few persons who know me. I move about with
or memories you want to share with us from friends or families, please come forward. Thank you, sir. Let's introduce yourself.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Dr. Oluyedi Adiola Michael. About 22 years ago, we were undergraduates together in the University of Lagos. And some of us were radicals for welfareism, contested for elections at different levels in this country. Some we won, some we lost. Gbenga was very, very close to us. In fact, he was a very strong activist. I recall that each time we were traveling to Enugu, to Zaria, to Maiduguri, though our parents believed we were in school, but we were moving from one state to another in the name of unionism and activism. Gbenga was always our pilot, and we could always rely on him. He had very good judgment of the steering and even the roads of Nigeria. Gbenga did not leave Lacuna. Gbenga left Lacuna that I believe no man can fill. In actual fact, if you're very close to Gbenga, he was an exuberance of humility. Though he was very dogged in whatever he believed in, and he was a go-getter. We relied on Gbenga so much that sometimes we were bothered with certain things. Gbenga would simplify it to the extent that you will believe there is nothing in it. On the 25th of December last year, 2018, we were together. Even though he doesn't drink liquor or alcohol, for some of us that are his friends, we had nice times. On the 1st, we were together without an inkling of him leaving this world. I didn't drive my vehicle, we drove his vehicle around. On the 1st of this year. And I was expecting his call on the 3rd. Only to be told that he went to the hospital on the complaint of malaria, never to come back alive. I was the most bothered. Because apart from the demise of my father, I think the next person closest to me that I lost Gbenga. Alexander the Great said, and I quote, that the measure of a man is not the number of servants he has, but the number of men he served. Gbenga was the man. Gbenga served humanity without reaping fruit. It was evident in him and his life that Gbenga would not leave you in sorrow if he met you in sorrow. His presence with you will demystify whatever mountain you may have or be carrying in your heart. You might probably start thinking after he might have left, but that period you will find. Gbenga was not a wealthy friend in terms of financial resources. But then, virtually everybody that comes across Gbenga would think he had extraordinary. And as you ask, Gbenga will give you. Gbenga can you share now? He will see all. What he give me, that's it. He was a cheerful giver, no doubt about that. In the alumni, we miss him. Amongst committee of friends, they're already missing him. And personally, I miss Gbenga. May he so continue to rest in perfect peace.
Thank you for those wonderful memories. We'll take one more person. Thank you, sir. I'll give you just 3 minutes.
Good evening, everyone. I am Engineer Yoruba from University of Lagos. I have not known Gbenga for too long a time. But for the little time that I have known him, I want to say particularly during the birthday he posted, and it was last year, just to portray what the person of them said. You ask for this before you know what's happening. Even if that's what you ask for, it's been exhausted. The next thing you just see is somebody coming in with a nylon bag of Adide, with that which you just asked for. And I tried to go close and you've been expensive. The next thing he said was, Kilamuwale. I don't want to even know the time. It's okay. You know, just jokingly. He said, Kilamuwale. I am happy to be here today because of one fact. That I made him happy, which was about the second to the last time that I was seeing him. I'm a social person, for the few persons who know me. I move about with my sound system. On getting to his house, that fateful day, it was a bit bored. He don't say, birthday, I went to my vehicle, brought down my mobile sound system. We danced, not too long in time. Said Balogun and another friend came in. We danced with Mary. I never knew that was the last time I was going to see him. I never knew that I was not going to see him again. I never knew. And ever since he said that word to me, he said, Kilamuwale, it kept ringing in my mind. Kilamuwale. It's a question for each and every one of us seated here today. What is it that we brought to this life? The day that I saw the WhatsApp message posted on my phone by Dr. Oluwede who just left. I came back from a meeting, was tired. The first message I received on my phone, sorry to take your time, was the message I got from my church. Somebody relocated to another place. But as at then, it was late. I was talking to the president of my men's on phone when the WhatsApp message of Gbenga dropped in. I remembered again, so it is once more my question and charge for each and every one of us here today. You're driving on the streets, somebody hits your vehicle, you come here, police! It is because you still have that thing all life inside of you. What do you mean? You don't know who I am? How come you see me? It is because you still have life in you. That is when you can make use of that thing called yourself. I will forever miss Gbenga. It is true that they say that if you have known somebody for just 5 days, quality days, it is better off than the person you've known for 5 years. That is nothing to write about. I will forever miss you, Gbenga Akintunde. Thank you.
Thank you so much.